Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2014 Escape SE in ingot silver with black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. This has a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine and it's an all-wheel drive. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that appears. And there's your odometer reading, and then we can get into the menu. Oops. Just take me a second here. There we go. Trip 1, Trip 2, information, settings, and these all have submenus. In the center, you're seeing the display screen. You have media choices of AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as CD. And you're seeing the temperature outside as well as the time. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. So you're seeing it there. Below that is your CD player, and there's your volume and tuner, your hazard lights, and then you have your climate control with AC and max AC. As well, you've got your defrost and rear defrost as well, and your automatic select shifter. Emergency parking brake is beside the driver. Heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as a 12-volt. Couple of cup holders, and then you can open up your armrest. There's a little bin there, you can take that out, and inside lots more storage, as well as an auxiliary line there. You're seeing that circle, and USB. Off to the side is a locking glove compartment, a manually dimming rear view mirror, sunglass holder, and there's also lighting controls in the center, as well as a grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body color door handle and side view mirror, keyless entry keypad. The back hatch has a windshield wiper. Your backup camera is located just below the Ford badge, and you also have dual exhaust. When you're ready to open up the hatch, you simply put your hand in, the little latch down below the license plate holder, and in you go. It's nicely carpeted and roomy, and you also have a light and a 12 volts, as well as hooks to be able to tether things. And below that mat is your spare tire. When you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle to the right. You simply put your hand in and pull down, and it's now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You can bring down your headrest simply by pushing the button, and then you pull the lever at the base of the seat, and that'll bring it right down. You now have access to your back cargo area. There's anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats. And then you just simply flip the seat up and the headrest, and it's in the upright position. In the center, there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders. And on the floor, there's carpeted mats. I've taken one of them out just to show you on this side. You have a little bin, so you can put items in there. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, you have 110 volt and a cubby. Up above, hooks, handles, and lighting. Passenger side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.